Solve the equation where x belongs to R. At this moment, I encourage you to pause the video and solve it by yourself. Okay, I will solve it now. 8 to the power of x I can write as 2 cubed to the power of x. 18 is 2 times 9, so this is 2 times 3 squared. 27 is 3 cubed to the power of x. Now I will use power rule. 2 to the power of 3 to the power of x. I will just multiply powers. This will be 2 to the power of 3x. At this moment I can divide both sides of the equation by 3 to the power of 3x. I can, for example, solve it this way. So I will have So I can write it as now the first expression I can write 2/3 to the power of 3x plus this will be 2 to the power of x divided by 3 to the power of x. 3 to the power of 2x will simplify minus this is just 1. So minus 2, this is equal 0. So I can write it again as now I can make substitution. 2/3 to the power of x will be equal to t. So then my equation becomes t cubed plus t minus 2, this is equal to 0. If I call my function f of t will be equal to t cubed plus t minus 2, I can calculate f of 1 when t is 1, and this will be 1 cubed plus 1 minus 2. I can see quickly this is equal to 0. So using the factor theorem, I know t minus 1 is a factor of f of t. So I'll divide t cubed plus t minus 2 by t minus 1. So t cubed divided by t, this is t squared, and t squared times t minus 1 will be t cubed minus t squared, and I will subtract it. Then I will have t cubed minus t cubed is 0, and I will have t squared plus t minus 2. Then I will divide t squared divided by t. So this becomes plus t squared minus t, and subtract it. So this will become 2t minus 2, then 2t divided by t will be equal plus 2, so 2t minus 2 that 2 times this bracket, and then remainder, of course, is 0. So, what I calculated that t cubed plus t minus 2 divided by t minus 1, I don't need that bracket even, this is equal to t squared plus t plus 2. And when I quickly multiply both sides by t minus 1, I will have t cubed plus t minus 2, that this is equal t minus 1 times t squared plus t plus 2. Then my equation was t cubed plus t minus 2 equals 0. So also this becomes t minus 1 times t squared plus t plus 2. This is equal to 0. So this equation will be equal to 0 when t minus 1 is 0 or t squared plus t plus 2 is 0. The linear equation, very simple, t will be equal to 1. Quadratic equation, I will calculate discriminant. Discriminant is equal to b squared minus 4ac. So this will be discriminant b squared, b is 1 squared, coefficient of t is 1, minus 4 times coefficient of x squared a, 1, times c, 2. So this is equal 1 minus 8, which is equal negative 7. Discriminant is less than 0. So no solutions. So no solutions for this equation. So t is equal to 1 is the only solution. T is equal to 1 and t was 2/3 to the power of x. This is equal to 1. So solving this, I have 2/3 to the power of x is equal to 2/3 to the power of 0. So the answer for this question will be x will be equal to 0. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to check my other math video problems and consider liking, sharing and subscribing.